Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in the 8th tutorial of Angular Crash Course. In this one, we will talk about styles and classes. So here, as you can see, we have a separate keyword called style URLs, which is linking our component.ts file with the CSS file we have in the component folder. If you do not want to keep your CSS code separately like this, you want to have it in the same component.ts file. So what you can do for this is you can use styles and then you can copy the entire CSS code from here like this. I have cut the and I'm going to paste it in between the double inverted commas like this. We have to bring everything in the same line, and then we can save the changes like this. Saving the changes, and as you can see, I am getting the same output which I was getting earlier. Right, let me just undo the changes I've made. Okay, now let's talk about ngStyles and ngClasses. So we are going to put the ngStyles on the h1 tag here. We can simply write ng style, and we need to remove these extra brackets VS Code has added for us. Then here we can find a CSS style for our h1 tag, and it's going to be inside single inverted commas. So I would like to change the background color of the h1 tag, and then let's define a color for the h1 tag. So it's going to be, let's say, black. Okay, saving the changes, and as you can see, the background color of 6 has changed from white to black. Likewise, if you want to change it to gray, you can do that too, like this. Okay, now what is the benefit of using ngStyle? So suppose we have a variable here in component.ts with name color1, let's say. Okay, and its value is, initially it is black. Okay, and the moment user clicks the button here on the front end, I would like it to change to orange. Okay, saving the changes, coming back on the HTML file, and let me now pass the variable as a value to this background color styles property. Saving the changes, and as you can see, the background color has changed to black. Now if I will click the button, so it has changed to orange. So this is how you can create an animation kind of thing. Okay, let's now check out ngClass 28. Okay, so now whatever we have here inside the array named people, everything we can see on the front end too. I'll have to write classes, so need to remove these extra brackets, and here I have to pass a CSS class. So do we have anything here in the CSS file? No, we do not. So let's just create a CSS class quickly. Saving the changes, coming back to the HTML file. So here we can write the name of the class. It's red. Let's pass a value for the class. So you can see all the text has, the color of all the text have changed from red to aqua. Okay, now if I pass false for this, so again it has changed to black. Okay, in place of a boolean value, let's pass a condition like this as a value to this CSS class. So let's make it 35, and now if I will save the changes, you will get to see the output like this over here. So this is how you can do the styling using ngStyles and ngClass. This is it from my side in the lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the 9th tutorial now. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day.